Good morning, everyone. This is Jen, your Tonga traveler, and we are still on the road. We are here in Svolvær now, and we stayed here in Fast Hotel, just like what we did last time. And I am drinking my tea. I just had a canned tuna for today as breakfast. And an update. Yesterday, it was very, very nice weather, guys. And today, look, it's raining. It's raining, guys. So we were supposed to do some walking. Anyway, I spoke to my husband and he said we could still walk up there to Reine. It's like a mountain peak. But I don't think so. That will happen. I am not up to it, guys. And we booked a place, a cabin there in Reine also. We saw that last time on our previous trip, and we fell in love with the place. Hopefully, the sun will show up a little bit later today, guys, so we could at least take some good photos, because it's really beautiful there. The landscape, it's like you're surrounded by, it's like you're inside the picture frame. So that's it for now, guys. The right time check, it's now 9 o'clock. And we are ready. Everything is packed. See there? We just need to go down and lift it up towards our car. And what's the good thing about this hotel? Again, I'm gonna explain to you is you checked in via digital and you just get a code, and that code you just need to punch in when you enter the building and at the same time when you enter the room. And same as when checking out, you just need to hang a piece of paper that you've checked out, and that's it. You don't need. It's the first hotel that that I've experienced that you don't need to see any. There's no reception, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'll update you more later. I have to finish my tea and we need to get going. Bye for now. guys, we are now on our way to Reine, and we are happy now because the weather is changing and it's been raining on our way here, but now we still have 73 kilometers drive towards Reine, and we saw this sign cafe, although we have coffee with us, but it's good to stop and have a little bit stretching. But unfortunately, this place is closed. I'm not sure if it's closed because the season is over here in Lofoten, or they're just closed for the day. Anyway, here it is, guys. The name of this place is Bruce Strandasjø Camping AS, and so far they got cabins, and here is the view from here, guys. The perfect view of the mountains. Look, 1 second, show it to you. See, that is the view from here. I wonder if you can walk all the way to the top there at that peak. Yes. So we were here, when was that? July. Yeah, July 6 to July 5 to July 11. But we were driving back and forth on this road, but we didn't notice this place. Looks like a nice place. Nice view. And we are heading into that direction there. So I think there will be no walking for us today to any mountain peaks because it's gonna be slippery and it's gonna be foggy, and you know, here in Norway the weather changes really fast, so it's best to just stay put on the cabin. And yeah, it was quite an experience. And this time when we were here, guys, July, that was just the beginning of the tourist season. There was not much traffic those time, but then now very few cars. We met very few cars. The season is over, guys, and public vacation also is over, so that is why it's very quiet here. And here also they got, look at these rocks piled up here. Let me show. Oops. Look, guys. Yeah, nicely done. And there's a, what's that? A small cabin. So let's go onwards. Wait. There, on a nice sunny day, anyone can enjoy the view here. The stables. So we are now 30 kilometers away from our destination for today, and the rain stopped, as you can see, and I am going to show you the view here. Hey guys, so we just arrived in our destination for today here in Reine. It's called Reine Rørbuer Classic Hotels, and it is raining again, guys. Look, it's raining. It's raining, so the fun is over, and there will be no walking in any mountain peaks today, guys. We are just going to stay put in our cabin. So I'll update you more, and I'll give you a tour in our cabin in a few minutes. Hey guys, we are in Lofoten again, and we are now in Reine. We are in Reine Rørbuer Classic Hotels, and for today's vlog I am going to give you a tour inside our cabin. So let's go. And by the way, guys, over there, that's one of the most famous hikes here in Lofoten, Reinebringen, and from there you get a very nice overview of the islands, of the Reine, of the village, and the beautiful landscapes. But this time I did not go there, so I'll do it next time on a very nice weather, because it's been raining this morning, guys. So okay, so right now we are staying in cabin number 1. It's called Anne og Elvina is in Norwegian. So let's go. Yeah, so here is our cabin. We have fridge. We got coffee. It's complimentary drink. Yeah, we can make our food, oven, coffee maker, and then we have the couch. No television, but we don't need that. They have internet here. Look at the roof. They really preserved it, guys. So Reine is a fishing village here in Lofoten. So now let's go to the room. This is a 1-bedroom cabin, and this is the bed. Towels, let me check. Ah, it's comfy bed. It's comfy. And then let's check out the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. The shower, that's what we need. Yeah, mirror. Yes, that's it, guys. And then we chose this cabin. We were supposed to stay at cabin number 10, but we have too much stuff on us in the car, and we want a place where we can park our car in front. So yeah, we got this number 1 instead. And yeah, it's a nice place, guys. Last time we were here, that was in July, and now it's August. In July, and from here we could see the midnight sun. It was incredible. Here is a picture. We took that from the bridge. That picture from the bridge, and we're very amazed. So I think this is not the last time that we will be visiting Lofoten, because if you are only visiting here for a week, then that is not enough to explore the place, to explore the islands. And anyway, guys, I'll show you here from this view from the window. Look at that beautiful landscape, guys. There. So, oh, there's a bird. There we go. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's my vlog for today, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my future uploads. Bye bye.